need to be like the factory. What they did was they cut the foam exactly to the panel, and then you mark all this stuff and line it all up, and then come and sew through to make your pleats like that. That way when you go to wrap it, this just glues onto the panel, but the only thing that's going to go around is just the vinyl itself. That way you don't have so much bulk going over, which will make that panel really thick and really not fit. So just how they did it back then.